Are you tired of spending hours debugging the same piece of code over and over again? Imagine having an AI that can help you write code, fix bugs, and even optimize your projects while you focus on the bigger picture. In this video, we're going to talk about AI coding agents, what they are, how they work, and whether they're actually helping developers or slowly making us worse at coding. So, what exactly is an AI coding agent? An AI coding agent is a tool powered by artificial intelligence that can write code based on your instructions, debug errors, refactor messy code, and even explain what a piece of code is doing. Unlike simple autocomplete tools, these agents understand context. You can ask them to build a feature, fix a bug, or suggest a better approach, and they respond almost like a junior developer sitting next to you. They're trained on massive amounts of code and documentation, which allows them to recognize patterns and generate solutions very quickly. That's why they've become so popular among developers recently. Now let's talk about the good side first. One of the biggest advantages of AI coding agents is productivity. Tasks that used to take 30 minutes, like writing boilerplate code or small utility functions, can now be done in seconds. Instead of spending time on repetitive work, you can focus on architecture, logic, and solving real problems. For freelancers and startups, this can be a huge advantage because faster development often means faster delivery. Another big benefit is error reduction. Developers get tired. After hours of coding, it's easy to miss small mistakes, edge cases, or performance issues. AI doesn't get tired. It can scan through code, catch potential bugs, and suggest cleaner or more efficient solutions. This often leads to better structured and more maintainable code, especially in large projects. AI coding agents can also be great for learning, especially for beginners. If you're new to programming, you can ask the AI why a certain approach works, or request multiple ways to solve the same problem. Instead of jumping between tutorials and Stack Overflow answers, you get explanations in real time. Used properly, this can actually speed up the learning process and help beginners understand best practices much faster. Another interesting advantage is that over time, these tools can adapt to your style. They start following your naming conventions, your preferred frameworks, and your overall project structure. This makes them feel less like a generic tool and more like a personalized assistant. But now, let's talk about the downsides, because they're important. The biggest concern is over-reliance. If you depend too much on AI, especially as a beginner, you may stop thinking deeply about problems. Instead of struggling through a bug and learning from it, you might just accept whatever the AI gives you. Over time, this can weaken your fundamentals and slow your growth as a developer. Another issue is that AI coding agents are not perfect. They can misunderstand requirements, miss edge cases, or generate code that looks correct but breaks in real-world scenarios. If you blindly trust the output without reviewing it, you might introduce bugs that only appear later in production. That's why human judgment is still critical. There's also the question of job security. Many developers worry that AI will replace them. In reality, AI coding agents are more likely to change the role of developers rather than eliminate it. Developers who understand fundamentals, system design, and problem solving will still be in demand. But developers who rely entirely on AI without understanding what's happening under the hood may struggle in the long run. Let's look at a simple example. Imagine you're a freelance developer. You use an AI coding agent to speed up your work, deliver projects faster, and handle repetitive tasks. That's great. But if you rely on it too much and stop improving your own skills, you may find yourself stuck when you don't have access to AI, or when a complex problem requires real thinking. Over time, that can affect your career growth. So what's the conclusion? AI coding agents are powerful tools. They can boost productivity, reduce errors, and help people learn faster. But they should be used as assistants, not replacements. The best developers will be the ones who know how to work with AI while still sharpening their own skills. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Have you tried using an AI coding agent? Did it improve your workflow, or did it make you feel too dependent? Share your experience in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech insights.